can you tell if you are in a toxic relationship? Here are 5 ways to know in under 90 seconds. Number 1, if you are walking on eggshells around this person, you don't feel free to be yourself. You have to turn yourself into a pretzel not to set the other person off. Number 2, there are no boundaries, or your boundaries are always getting pushed. This person cannot hear you when you say no. They get offended at you for putting boundaries or limits on them. Number 3, you're often getting put down or criticized. The other person points out your faults, and when you raise objection, you are accused as being overly sensitive or not being able to take a joke. Number 4, guilt and manipulation. This person controls your behavior through guilt trips, anger, and/or sensitivity, so that your motive for doing stuff for them is out of fear, guilt, and obligation. Number 5, not taking responsibility. This person does not take ownership for their issues and how their issues contribute to the problems in the relationship. For more of an in-depth video on how to detect and how to navigate toxic relationships, check out this video linked in the video description. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.